Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you are an owner of a small or medium-sized business and your money is coming and going and you want to track your all the expenses that you are spending on your business for a proper asset management or money management on your business, then QuickBooks can help you to manage your expenses and track all the expenses that is happening on your business, and you can track all the analytics that about revenue and expenses. So first you have to do is go to the quickbooks.com and you have to log into your account. So once you are into your account, you can find your dashboard from here, and the left side you can find all of the options that can help you to manage your business. From this from this navigation section, you can find expenses. This is the section where you can find all the expenses that you have listed. So from here, let me just explain one by one. So the first one is expenses. So if I want the expenses here, then it will allow me to add expenses from here, like here the new transaction. So you can find pay bills and new transaction from here, and you can find all the transaction that you have made as expenses will listed in this section. Now simply click on new transactions, where you can find time, activity, bill, expenses, check, purchase order, supplier credit, credit card credit, also pay down credit card, and import bills. So all of these are actually for our individual uses. So for example, the bill or any expenses, I'm going to select expenses from here. So once I have clicked on it, it will allow me to add the expenses. So the pay, who did you pay? So for example, you can add a sample customer, or you can add a new customers from here. So for example, add new. So once you have added it, here the name and contact. So I'm going to add a name and content from here. So I'm going to add the mixture. Sorry for that. I have just added it, for example. Now from here, the company name, we have to add the company name from here. Now once we have added the company name, their email address and phone number, and all the other details from here, we can add some more notes from here. We can add any document that related to that customers or supplier from here, and all the additional details from here. So once we have simply click on save button here, so we have just added it. Now payment amount here, like inventory or prepaid expenses. So for example, prepaid expenses here. Now the payment date here and the payment method. So we are going to set a payment date from here by this calendar icon here. So I'm going to select the date, and the payment method, like credit card or cash from here. So I'm going to go with cash here. The reference number, I'm going to add a reference number from here. Now you can add a category. That category details add the expenses. For example, I'm adding the fabrics. Sorry for that. Fabrics. So once you have added it, like you can double click on it, and you can add the category from here, like bad debt here, bank charges, or any of type from here. You can find lots of options from here. So for example, we can go with the any of this from here, like income tax payable. So add description and the amount from here. I'm going to add amounts from here. So once I have added it, you can save and clear, and also you can add the product and service details from here, like fabrics. Sorry for that. Fabrics. Once you have added it, you can simply click on add new. So once you have added it, you can add the description, like I have just 2 roles, or so we can simply click on this drop down here. So we can click on this add new here and add the product from here, like different types of product, like item type or service, or inventory item or non-inventory item, like digital products. So once we have all the assets here, so simply click on save and continue. So once I have just saved it, for example, so once I have added it in the expenses, it will show me the expenses from here. You can see So where you can track each and every from here, everything from here. And the billing section will help you to get every details about the bills, like you are spending on your business, like electricity bill or any other utility bill or delivery bill here there, or the any other bills you can say, for example repairing or delivering or management, any other bills from here. Then purchase orders, like you have purchased any wholesale or for your business, we have purchased any wholesale from business for your business, then you can create a purchase order. Then you can also list the suppliers, and from all of this from here you can find already it has just showing me right now. I have just added it and it is showing that the purchase order, all of everything, the total paid here. You can see paid for last 30 days, each and every details from here. Also in this dashboard, if you go to dashboard, you can scroll down and you can find the expenses, where you can find all the categories here and all other like here the expenses. You can bring in transaction automatically. You can simply click on it. So once you have clicked on it, you have to do is connect a bank account. Once you have connected your bank account, it will help you to automatically list it and automatically count each and every transaction that you have made through your bank account, and it is most effective thing. Another thing that you can capture or get a snap of each and every slip, each and every invoice or slip with your QuickBooks mobile application, and it will add all the details on your account and add it as expenses if you want so. So that's how you can just track it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.